Okay, what this video is about is these are not raindrops. It's falling heavy mist. They're the world's tiniest raindrops that I have ever seen. Trying to get a good focus on them. This morning started out with heavy fog. And as I look around, you see I'm trying to get where the rain is falling on the edge of the thing. Now you can't see it. But this is just not normal rain. Very fine mist. Sorry about my shaky hand. My anti-shake doesn't work if I have sound. So anyway, folks, this is January 31st in Seattle. Pretty big system has come through. But due to chemical ice nucleation, the particulates that this rain is hanging on to are very, very small. Thought I'd show you what it looked like. Thanks and have a good day. Okay, this is raindrops falling. And a lot of them, but they're all extremely tiny. These raindrops are barely bigger than mist. See how they just tick on that? The water droplets you see falling are falling off the edge of my gutter. They're not falling from the sky. That little mist falling there. That's rain. Very fine rain. They hit the water. They don't splash like raindrops. Hummingbird feeder. Oh, there's one of them. Now today, yet another very cloudy, rainy day. Just thought I'd let you see what it looked like in Seattle, or a little bit south of it. Have a good one.